this is one of the biggest announcements on this channel so far. So the course is out for sale right now. So when you head over to codemyhobby.com, it should lead you to this website. You type in www.codemyhobby.com and it should lead you to this website. Now simply click this about nav right here and it should lead you to the about section. And when you click buy now, or you scroll down here and click this arrow button right here, it should lead you to a page where you're going to pay for the course. So now after inputting your name and the necessary field, it's going to give you an option to input your card number. So after inputting your card number and you fill in the necessary information, after paying for the course, it should lead you to What's up guys, welcome back to Code My Hobby. If you're new here, I produce daily videos based around programming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So subscribe if that sounds interesting to you today. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a course which I just launched. So the course is available for purchase. So all you need to do is to go over to the website www.codemyhobby.com and it should lead you to this nice looking website right here. Okay, so when you get here, you can simply click buy course now, or if you would like to get a preview of what you'll be learning. So these are the features you'll be getting in this course. You'll be learning everything about HTML5, you'll be learning everything about CSS3, you'll be building responsive websites, and you'll be getting live sessions with me and another developer. Okay, so guest developer will also be joining you in the live session. Also, you'll be getting 30 plus video tutorials on HTML and CSS. You'll be building 3 different responsive websites and you'll be getting over 9 hours of tutorial. Now, if you'd like to get a preview of the course, all you need to do is to click this play button and it should lead you to a YouTube video where you can get the preview of this course. So I suggest you grab the course right now because the course might increase in price real soon. So grab the course while it's at $20. It might increase to $30 real soon. I don't know. It's definitely going to increase real soon. So I suggest you grab the course while it's still at $20 right now. So you can also scroll over here. And when you click this arrow button, it should redirect you to the page where you're going to pay for the course. So these are some other courses that will soon be out. Okay, that will soon be out for purchase also. So when you click this button right here, it should lead you to the page where you're going to pay for the course. Now after paying for the course, you input your all the necessary information right here and click pay now. When you click pay now, it's going to redirect you to this page and you input your details and your card number. Now when you pay for this course, it's also going to redirect you to a Google Drive where you're going to download the course. All the tutorials you need for this course, you're going to download them on the Google Drive. So I know you must be wondering what makes this course stand out. Well, not only will you be getting the tutorials, but what's the point of learning something when you can't apply your knowledge? So in this course, we're basically focusing on applied knowledge of HTML and CSS. So it's not just about learning all the time, but how can you apply what you've learned into creating real-time projects that can, boost your skills. Okay, so after learning all this, the HTML and CSS, so you're going to get in live sessions on how you can transform your skills, how you can transform your skills into applied knowledge. Now this applied knowledge is then transformed into a passion. So this passion also, we will be learning how to monetize this passion. Okay, so after learning HTML and CSS, I'll be guiding you towards converting what you've learned, your applied knowledge, how to convert this to a financial profit for you. So you'll be getting your money back at the end of this course. So you'll be building a landing page. I'm going to have that on the screen right now. So you'll be building this landing page. Okay, so after building this landing page, I'm now going to tell you how you can transform this landing page into a profitable business for you. So you will definitely be getting your money back and even surplus. You will also be working on this Neumorphism card effect, which was a really huge trend last year. And this is going to teach you the latest technology of CSS3, which is Flexbox. So I suggest you get this course. Okay, you'll also be building this responsive contact form from scratch using HTML and CSS. You'll be building this nice looking gallery right here using CSS Grid, and also this portfolio website. Now this is one of the biggest projects in this course. So you'll be building this portfolio site from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but we won't be going into the JavaScript for this tutorial because I don't want it to be too complex. So you can see this nice responsive portfolio site, and it's completely responsive, and it's also available for download in my GitHub repository. That's if you're getting this course. So all this being said, you'd also be getting live classes with me and another developer. So it's not just me that will be teaching you how to monetize your skills in this course. You'll be getting advice from different developers, also different developers that have gone through the stages you're about to go through. Okay, so you'll be getting first-hand classes with them, and you can schedule live calls if you want to. You'll also be getting my number so you can get in touch with me anytime you want. And also you'll be getting to interact with different people in a community. Okay, in the community, we're going to create a special community for all the students that are going to get this course. I'm going to create a community for you guys so you can interact with each other and learn from each other. Okay, so that being said, this is a really structured course I think you should get and would be of good help to you. Okay, so just remember, you're not only getting the tutorials, but you're also getting live classes and interaction, and you'll be applying what you've learned. So that's the main reason why we're making this course, for applied knowledge of HTML and CSS. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I've not still forgotten about the tutorial on Firebase. The contact form tutorial should be out in some hours. Yeah, in some hours it should be out. So thank you for tuning in. If you're getting this course, I would advise you scroll down here, click buy now, and get the course for yourself right now, and you'd start learning how to apply what you've learned. Okay, so that'll be all for this tutorial, guys. That'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.